Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to take a detailed look at Samsung's latest foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Flip5. I've been using this phone for a few weeks now and I have to say, I'm impressed. From its sleek design to its impressive features, this phone is truly unique. So, let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the design and display of the Galaxy Z Flip5. This phone folds in half, making it super compact and easy to carry around. When you fold it open, you're greeted with a gorgeous 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display. The colors are vibrant and the screen is bright, making it perfect for watching videos and browsing the web. And unlike some other foldable phones, the Z Flip5 doesn't have a visible crease in the middle of the screen. Plus, the hinge mechanism is really smooth and feels satisfying to open and close. Next up, let's talk about the camera on the Galaxy Z Flip5. The phone has a dual camera system on the back, with a 12-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The photos that come out of this camera are really impressive, with vibrant colors and sharp details. Plus, the phone has a front-facing camera that's perfect for taking selfies. One unique feature of this phone is the flex mode, which allows you to prop up the phone at a certain angle, making it great for hands-free photos and videos. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy Z Flip5 is powered by a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, which means it's really fast and responsive. I've had no issues multitasking and running multiple apps at the same time. Plus, the phone comes with 8 GB of RAM, which helps with smooth performance. Moving on to the battery life and charging of the Galaxy Z Flip5. The phone has a 3300 mAh battery, which is smaller than some other phones on the market. However, I've found that the battery life is actually pretty good. I've been able to get through a whole day of use with moderate usage. When it comes to charging, the phone supports fast charging and wireless charging, which is really convenient. Let's talk about some of the software features on the Galaxy Z Flip5. The phone runs on Samsung's One UI 2.5, which is based on Android 10. One cool feature of this phone is the app continuity, which allows you to seamlessly switch between the small screen and the large screen when you unfold the phone. Plus, there's a feature called Multi-Active Window, which allows you to run up to 3 apps at the same time. So, what are my final thoughts on the Galaxy Z Flip5? Overall, I think this is a really impressive phone. It's got a unique design, impressive features, and solid performance. However, it's also pretty pricey, so it might not be for everyone. But if you're looking for a phone that's a bit different and is sure to turn heads, this might be the phone for you. So, that's it for my review of the Galaxy Z Flip5. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this phone and if you're considering buying one. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.